So we traveled to Sydney for Edutech 2025. We had a stall there and we were exhibiting 2 teachers, principals, technology, schools, high schools, primary schools. I thought it was a very great success.
Edutech is amazing for us as a business. It's great in the fact that we meet people from multiple sectors, where it's like primary school, high school, universities, even like schools for special needs. It's good, once again, learning from all of those people and then tweaking our products and our services afterwards to cater more towards it.
What we want to focus on now is giving the teachers the ability to feel comfortable with this type of technology and know how it fits into their course delivery. So that's our main focus that we want to try and deliver for 2025, is to try and bring that awareness to the teacher in particular.
Where we were located was amazing. We had a lot of foot traffic. So we got the chance to meet so many people. I think over the 2 days, I had met over 200 people and had conversations with over 200 people. So it was like amazing for me, specifically just to have chats and talk to people.
We were really, really busy, and a lot of people, a lot of teachers were really, really impressed with the types of things you could do with it these days.
At Edutech, we went there with the main purpose to market ourselves and to grow brand exposure. And I think we definitely did that. We did that very well there. We met a lot of people, we got a lot of contacts from industry.
So what 3D printing does is gives you a way to bring what you are imagining into a digital form and then take that digital form into something physical. And the main key attribute that you're targeting there is the ability to learn through failure. All your ideas that generate into your head are not going to be the right solution for the problem. But what 3D printing does is firstly accelerates that entire process, and then it also gives you a way to make that very, very quickly and then test it out very, very quickly.
The big emphasis on AI tools that are coming out within schools, and at the same time, there's a humongous amount of AI tools coming out in 3D printing. So it's definitely complementary. There's AI tools to do model generation, AI tools in designing, and I think the whole industry is growing together. So having these other technologies at the moment with 3D printing, I think they all work hand in hand with each other.
2026, we'll be there again, just because we want to be on top of it all. And we want to be able to showcase, as the industry progresses, we want to be able to communicate that to everybody else that's out there.